Gonna try out some of these Home Defense 24 coated steel balls, 68 caliber, 10.5 grams, 7.3 millimeters. Very white, a kind of rubbery coating on the outside. They do in fact weigh 10.5 grams. They go through a 682 with a little push, 684, they drop right through. These balls have a lot of friction in this magazine. In my opinion, they're probably not best suited for mag fed, but more for revolver style like the HDR 68. Let's see how they do. M17. The regulator turned up just a little bit more, 16 gram. $268. 254. 262. 260. 262. 252. 260. 258. 252. 246. Last one. Well, they did cycle. I'm not 100% sold that they are best for mag fed, so use your discretion. Guys, before I go, serious question. If you've seen the last two videos, me tuning with this 16 gram and the regulator, including this video, you've noticed the trend. It's become fairly consistent. Those 10.5 gram balls from Home Defense started at 35, finished at 29, we'll just call it 30, 29 some change. I can continue down that path and go for the, a very consistent number like that from start to finish, or we can go for a high and a low, keeping in mind, my opinion, 30 joules minimum is where I'd want to finish. What do you guys think? Obviously, going one route or the other may change the magazine capacity, or what do you think? Should I just change the capacity in the first place? So this is 10 rounds, and some might prefer the more compact look like this, and this is 7 rounds. You see the conundrum? I personally like this. Tell me your thoughts. Start really high, finish at 30, or maybe try and eke a little more out of what just happened in this video and just have a very consistent number.